And it wasn't till Caroline Grace, years later, knocked on my mother's door and said, "You're the pilot that flew my Spitfire that my husband has renovated." She said, "I was so excited to see that when I looked in the logbook of the plane that you flew it from the factory, the first person to fly the plane from the factory to the aerodrome where the fighter pilot picked it up, went up for D-Day and shot the first plane down on D-Day in that Spitfire." So my mother was thrilled, she was thrilled, and they've been strong friends ever since. And then she said to my mother, "Well, 50 years to the day from when you took that Spitfire, we'd like to reenact it." So they put my mother, who was then 70 something, into the plane, and they did a little chit, the same as it would have been in the ATA, saying, "Please take the plane from here to there." She found the actual pilot who my mother delivered it to, and he then took it up as well. So it was an amazing, amazing day for my mother to fly it again.